today we will be doing the hot noodle challenge. So we are Jamaican, I don't know. So we are Jamaican, we're not doing something doing over this. So we get the ramen noodles and we're using Scotch bonnet pepper.
Of course.
So you don't know how the yardie thing go, you know? Yeah, yardie style. Yeah, see that? And all these things. So the first one win. Oh, we get
Money.
money. Alright. $5,000 plus your $5,000. That's 10 grand.
Alright. So we are about to start now. So
And your mouth gets set.
Dirty there. Alright. Free up. Ready.
Steady. Good. Mm-mm. If you don't believe it, see it. It's got bunny pepper in it.
Tell me, we need that.
Then you just make your come. Wicked to myself, I'm not God, I'm not right. Just $10,000.
No, laugh. You're funny. Watch it bugging me or something? You know, say, well, we can get out.
I don't think I saw a challenge, bro. Your mouth is like a Chinese.
That's good. No, Shana.
Ah!
Shana, bend up.
Ah! What are you dropping on more? Jesus Christ.
Shana, you're losing it?
Look at the film, yeah.
Shana, I'm behind you. Shana, you just lose.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
10 grand.
Mm-hmm.
No, sir. No, no. We're done.
Drink the water.
You're mad. Alright.
Drink the water, what?
Me win.
No.
Me win. Me win, yo.
Oh, the water in that.
No, it's a thief. You thief.
I win, guys. I win. Oh my God. This was a good one. So do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Peace out.